Hi guys, this is Dalimar Quimtinio and welcome to our video tutorial. Sa video na to ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-change ang ating theme ng ating Eclipse IDE for Java development. So, i-change natin yung kulay ng ating environment, no? So, instead na white or light, let's change it to something dark, no? So, to do that, just go to Window, then click Preferences, then search natin si Theme. Then, click natin si Appearance. Then, sa theme, palitan natin ng anong gusto mo. So, check mo na lang. For example, gusto ko itong dark. Then, click natin si Apply. So, nag-change na. So, click OK. You can click Apply and Close. So, it will close our program. Then, open mo naman. Pero sa akin, gusto ko okay na apply na. Then, cancel. So as you can see, from light or white background change to something dark, no? So control minus para zoom out, zoom in, control plus. So medyo maganda na siya tingnan, no? Pero ang iba, mas gusto nila yung white kasi medyo relax sa mata. So it depends upon the user or the programmer. So it depends kung anong gusto mong kulay para sa environment mo. So again, this is how to change the theme of our IDE. So I have other videos you can just watch on my playlist. So don't forget to subscribe. So again, thanks.